Alright guys, so what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're picking up Leroy's car to get dropped off at Pittsburgh Car Scene's World of Wheels. Then we're taking my car to get dropped off at Paint. Justin's here, getting everything set up for Leroy. We gotta get on the special incline because someone doesn't have bags, so we need to get him all squared away. This is gonna be lit. You didn't even gel your hair, Leroy? You still look good though.
I don't have any annually.
Fitment doesn't look too bad there, bud.
Oh, here we go already.
It started.
It's the front. The front looks neat.
I said it doesn't look too bad.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro, look at it.
You didn't say it looks good.
Alright, it looks so good, Leroy. Give me a good cold start, brother. You're good. Maybe.
Well, I'm scraping on that bump, dude.
Yeah.
Too low.
Oh, yeah? How's she feeling now she's boosted?
Better.
Oh, brother.
Okay.
No.
No, stop.
No,
Stop.
Back. Okay, back. Come straight back. This way, over here a little bit. Okay, straight back, straight back.
That side's gonna hit more than this side.
Come on.
You're good on this side.
Oh, he's in. He's in, babe.
Well, it does look good as hell.
Yeah, dude.
It's clear as shit.
Pretty high.
I'll take your tooth out.
Have fun getting out. No, you're staying in there the whole way.
Literally staying in there. Just stay strapped in.
That's gonna be hard. Just flop it open and I'm gonna dip out.
Just
Here.
Bodug it. Alright, so can someone take these rags and kind of...
That just gave Justin like anxiety.
I'm gonna figure out like my wheels on like how to like get them from not.
Yeah, you touch it. Go to the rags. Yep.
All right, you got it.
Hey, you see that door over there?
Dude, I'm stuck on something.
Hey, go that way where the door is. See the door to the trailer over there?
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm stuck.
There she blows.
Oh my god.
It's giving birth.
Help me.
Oh, what do you need?
I'm jumping.
All right. I didn't know what you wanted. So, Leroy's car is all loaded up. We're actually almost down to the convention center right now. We traveled across Pittsburgh in rush hour traffic, which is always a good time. And we're coming up on the convention center, so we're gonna get Leroy's car unloaded for the show. And then from there, we're gonna go pick up the Subaru and then take it where it needs to go and go through more traffic.
Love it.
It's gonna be sick.
Love it.
Woo! Pretty good.
Can't open the door because my car's against the door.
Dude, you gotta put those,
I know, Bob.
put your back into it. Do you need me to do anything? Yeet.
We out here.
We out here. Awesome little venue. Look at that, bro!
Shit on you.
Looks good as hell in here.
The lighting's making it right now, dude.
Mission accomplished, bro. We made it. Did you guys make it?
Yeah,
Are you,
I fell asleep the entire
are you
time.
coming my way or are you going home?
Oh, I'm coming.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
Heavy, yeah.
Sick. Pat, you're coming my way too?
What's that?
You're coming to see the Subaru?
Absolutely.
Bryce says you are.
Clean that thing right now. I don't know what we're doing.
Oh.
He's just doing a quick little once over. He don't need nothing else.
He doesn't care? Alright,
It's
cool.
ugly
So
anyway.
Bryce is coming. What are you doing? Are you filming me? Ooh, you make me so uncomfortable. Woo. Time jump, but everything's all ready to go for the Subaru. Just got carried away right away. She's warming up. AFRs look good. Our headlights for the night are pretty sick. The underglow is going to be serving as headlights, as I have no headlights and I need to drive to the trailer. And with no side skirts, I can't mount them anywhere but here, so that's what we're working with. Look at these jams.
So cambered in the rear. Jesus.
Why?
Look at the ride over.
Bro, yeah, his rear's crazy camber.
Huh?
Jesus. Whoa.
He's rolling.
Look at the new headlights, though. This is something straight out of Halo right here.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're out. The one thing I miss about this car is how good the heat is.
How good the what is?
The heat.
Heat.
She cooks in here. I got my headlights on the knob, but you know.
They don't do nothing.
I mean, is there a better color? I mean, we probably pick a better.
Yeah, like quite white. Like, son,
I got the police.
like, son, what are you doing? Cherries and berries. It's cold.
Alright, well, we can just go. I mean, I'll work with what I got.
Alright, so, how are we getting all these bumpers and stuff over there?
You can put stuff on. I mean, I don't think I'll fit. Hang out in the car.
I mean, I'll just, like, carry this one.
There's
Oh, no, you're first. Bryce, looks like you're carrying a bumper.
You hold it. Hold it from like.
Out here with the bumper.
Alright, Wes, I'm just gonna turn.
Rally. Let's get it. Here comes Papa Bear running back to me.
The fastest this car's ever went.
Oh. Rip. Speed of light. This is the shit it takes to have a cool car, well, semi. Help your friends out. Negative weather. This is what we live for.
I'm cold.
Now we just gotta sit here and wait. I'm gonna get in the back though, so when he comes, whew, now we have to wait.
Yeah.
There's
Oh,
a
here
car.
it comes. Here it comes.
Here he comes. Go. Wait, how do I get out of here? Where's the? Oh, it's down under. What the? Who puts a door handle under where you grab it? Yeet, yeet, yeet.
Yep. 2019. Killing it. Better get that panoramic. Hey, are you gonna go to the grass bud? It's a rally car.
Yeah, send it.
Alright.
Burping it. I like it.
It actually works pretty well for headlights.
Alright, back up and straight up.
Alright.
This way.
This is how unstraight my man's is. Unreal. Hold on. Dad's gotta come in. Ow! I just sliced my... Don't touch this.
Yeah, they're sharp.
That's sharp.
Not as thick as Leroy.
Yeah, as I say, it's what happens whenever you're not 350 pounds like Leroy's fat ass.
Well, I'm saying his car is wide, not him, but
His car's not.
Both
He's fat. You can take over again.
Okay, excellent. Well, we did it.
Going to Lightroom and it's going to be hashtag night moves.
Dude, night moves is the only move. Subaru getting tied down. We did it. Mission accomplished. I hope I didn't forget anything. Wes is destroying my transmission on my truck 'cause he's flying into this trailer. Too much power, sorry. I'm gonna let. So we made it to where we're dropping the car off, and we're gonna unload it right now. But we are so close, and we're not gonna see the Subaru for like a minute. It's pretty crazy, but minutes, multiple minutes.
Dude, you need to turn around and blow that one again.
Okay.
Oh wait, you don't have any mirrors for me to hit off of.
Yeah. I think I can turn the underglow on without... Oh, yeah, you got lights. I forgot. Where's the controller? It's here somewhere. Oh, there she blows. There it is. So, I think everyone got a lot of footage of this, but there's not enough footage. Oh my god.
I'm telling you, it's like those ATV like whips.
Yeah.
You need to. I think you need to.
Hey man, what's up?
I'm telling you, ATV whips. You're gonna put them on.
Look at these, like my headlights.
Oh, very nice. Sweet underglow.
It was on the side skirts, but I couldn't run it over, so we taped it to the doors. But so yeah, there she blows. Yeah. I'll leave the keys in the cup holder as well.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, probably.
See you, man.